Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you.
So I'm actually, I'm gonna have to call you back, okay? I'm in the middle of something. Right, thank you. Shortly, actually. Great, thank you.
Now make a wish. Yay!
All right, you guys remember my birthday. Thank you very much. I'll take that. Thank you. All right, birthday's over. I'm gonna get back to work now, would you? Thank you.
You didn't even cut your cake. Becca, it's your birthday. Guys, party is on. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. So let me have that, please. Thank you. Thank you. Please help me with that. Please help me with that. Let me have that. Aha, thank you. You're all too kind. Thank you.
Why don't we go clubbing tonight?
Yeah. That's right. So after work, we are clubbing.
Like a lone bird, I'm all by me. But deep inside, my heart yearns for love.
Hey. So the guys want to take the after party to the nightclub.
Joel, please sit down. We need to talk.
Talk about what? I beg you, walk down close. So I'm not doing this.
Dewa, sit down. I need to talk to you. I would really appreciate it if our friendship does not affect our place of work.
How?
You seem to get carried away with the fact that we're friends and also forget the fact that I'm your boss. Joel, when I give orders in this office, please don't flout them, okay?
Well, so 2 weeks as branch manager and Becca is giving me orders. You know what? I love you too much to be mad at you. Aha! Remember Uche from the Mitama branch? I caught him checking you out the other day.
Joel, can you be serious for once? I don't care about no Uche or anybody staring at me. Newsflash, I'm also Uche's boss, just like I'm your boss.
You're so unbelievable. You're going again with this your killjoy attitude. I don't get it. This is even worse because you're trying to pin it on your new office and we both know, boss or not, you like to act like you forbid dating, fun, or even sex. Okay, maybe the appropriate term should be fornication since both parties involved are married.
Dewa, bring your voice down. You're in an office and you're in my office, so stop.
You're only 33, but you're more worried than my grandma.
Hold on, wait. Did I say you're my friend? I take that back, because as my friend, shame on you for not knowing I'm just 31.
Maybe
Have a good day. I have to get back to work. You should too. Dewa, now.
Good morning, sir.
Boy, you're early. That's great.
Yes, sir.
Now, take me to the park.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I saw Mr. Johnson ride a new rally. New rally. New rally. I saw Mr. Johnson ride a new rally. He was riding in a motor car. A new rally. I saw Mr. Johnson ride a new rally. He was riding in a motor car. My beautiful daughter. Oh, I'm good. Husky, as usual, but kicking. I heard about your promotion. Congratulations, my daughter. The sky is your limit. You know, I was so excited, I had to go celebrate with my pastor. Oh, sure. I was in a retreat for elders. Yes. Oh, it's actually very noisy. I'm in a vehicle coming to see you. That's why you're hearing all this noise. I'm calling to tell you that I'm in a vehicle coming to Abuja.
Hey, driver!
And when I get...
Driver, don't forget my job. Why do you look me like that now? Why even push me?
Sit down! Sit down immediately! Do you know who I am? I'm sorry, my dear daughter.
I don't talk, driver, don't forget to.
I'm sorry, my dear. I'll be in Abuja in the next 1 hour. And when I come, I'm coming straight to your house. I want to spend the remaining part of the month with you, like a mini vacation, you know. Oh, well, I reckon you are alone, unless, of course, you have a man in your house. Do you have a man in your house, Becca? Oh, okay. A boyfriend? Okay. A hookup? No. A friend. You know this type of friends for benefit hookup type of thing? All right, my dear. Don't worry. I am coming soon. And when I come to Abuja, we'll talk about it. Yes.
Don't forget to join us after your drop.
Hello? Oh no, this network is terrible. I can't hear you. Oh, hello, Haba, hello.
That's how my father called me this morning. Oh,
Okay.
here I was thinking, oh, he was calling to congratulate me for the promotion because I haven't spoken to him in like 6 months. Do you know this guy picks up? Hello, Becca, father's daughter. I'm on my way to you. I'm on my way to your house in Abuja and I'm staying for 1 month.
What?
I'm telling
1 month?
One whole
It's a
month.
lie.
The crazy thing is, he wasn't even talking like he was asking if I was around or anything. No, he was telling me that I was on his way. More like I should drop my key under the doormat.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you, like, you don't even understand.
Oh my God. Okay, I know it's wrong for him to shop like that, Becca, but you still need to cut him some slack. I mean, it's a legendary coach in Gaga. Sexy at 50. It's not easy. It's not easy.
You guys are the one hyping that man to do nonsense. Because to be honest, yeah, he's over 57 with philandering habits.
He's still hot.
You.
Oh yeah,
Our last bus stop be this, so now our last bus stop be this. I beg, anybody wey get load, carry a load, oh. No go ask me, say your bag this one, oh. I beg, I don't get strength, oh.
My change.
How much you have? Okay. I beg, carry your load, oh. If you get load, carry your load.
So I have my load in the boot, but I have change to collect.
What change?
My change.
Oga, beg. You see that guy wey come out here? No only him. They tell me for terminal say we dey owe 500 naira and I don't give am. This one wey they talk about, I don't know am.
No, but it's written on your
Oga,
ticket.
go back to terminal, go collect your change. Which kind of rubbish is this one now? They don't tell me about you. I beg.
My son, please, let me have my change.
Oga, point of correction. I don't be your son. I know my papa if I see him. Please, don't call me your son again. Oga, I want to go work this vehicle. I beg. Which kind of rubbish is this one now? What's it they worry you now?
So what about my change? I don't want trouble, please. What about my change?
Okay, if you want trouble, I go give you trouble now. Which kind of rubbish be this one now? I tell you, say I know they owe you. If you want your check, go back to the terminal and collect. They don't tell me anything about you. Which kind of rubbish be this one now? If they tell me, say, if you want trouble, I go run you street. Oh. Which kind of rubbish is this one? I beg.
Please let me have my change. Peacefully.
Okay? Peace, oh. Peace is so. Now my area be this. Nothing they happen. Come up for road.
Wait, come back here. Something wrong with you? Huh? You want run street for Aburo head. You crazy?
Okay?
Have you worried me?
Okay, I go change it for you. Oh.
You change it
Oh,
for me.
I go change it for you. Oh. Which kind of rubbish is this one now?
That's
Eh?
What did happen now? What did happen?
You can look at this man. Oh. Say they come here and they tell me about but I say they owe him 800 naira.
You do
For where?
You know they owe you now. What did happen now?
It's only me change. It's written on their
Hey,
ticket.
nothing person no go see for this Abuja.
Nah, Papa, you only go to die for motor motor.
Now look at this guy, oh.
Give me my change, one. Give me my change, two.
Okay, forget two, count three. Count three. Which can be two? Which can be two, three? I mean,
Can you believe it? Children of nowadays have no respect anymore. Because even calling me an old man, I had to teach him some lesson. But I'm really very sorry about what happened. Please. So I have to be going now. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Becca, my beautiful daughter. You look dazzling.
Daddy, please. Now is not the time for hugs and kisses. Just get in the car, let's go. You know what you've done.
Aye. Who sent me? Who sent me?
Oh boy. Listen to your mouth. See your eyes too.
My brother. One old man. Should I say he's a retired wrestler?
Wrestler.
Yes. Oh, but this one would they talk about, let's say 70 years old.
70.
I swear that no. You know as this thing they be now. I want to smart him and collect shishi where they in pocket out to my own. Oh boy, that's what the man changer for me. Oh. No do. This man begin to punch me. You know where I'm in the restaurant they pound the yam. Now so this one they deck me.
I don't tell you. You know the year. This your new Agbiru lifestyle where you want to enter. You know go pay. You know go pay to get you in so much trouble.
Fred, wait now. No be that one they pay me.
What did they pay you?
The one where they pay me. The whole money why I don't make already today. I carry all the money go dash this pharmacist pay. Carry the money go buy drugs. Not only that one, no. You see this our Oga? I'm not sure that man go make heaven. Oga just dey there, they watch. Like saying they inside stadium, they watch football. You know if you do like that,
I don't tell you. You try to listen to me. I don't tell you. Say make you know they give this man face. They do like me. That man feel let passengers kill you. You know go send. He does not care. They do like me. They take care of yourself. Once in a while you go to tell and say, Oga, I'm not feeling too fine. So that this son no go this. You know say as I fine.
Shut up.
You know say as I fine.
No, Fred, don't make me vex. So. You try to be fine. I don't blame you now. They talk about fine boy.
Fine.
And because of your behavior. All these small girls who I blame, all these small girls for this area, where they say nothing, where they follow foolishly. Now them are they blame because of your BS. I don't know what they tell them.
Jealous.
Like I tell you, for your information, I overheard Oga they talk to somebody, they try and say, you and I get matter. And na tomorrow morning, I go treat your matter. So prepare yourself. Oh.
HK, now small thing they make me vex. I don't tell you, no they talk about that man when you enter this house. No they talk about that man.
Why?
Why? Now only get motor for Abuja. Eh? Now only get motor for Abuja. If you no gree make I do, I'll find another way now.
Oh, but see, this way you talk, nobody they consign me now. At bros at the H.
You say?
Aye. What do our chair for you?
You say?
Fred. Also, no be the food what I keep inside. What I cook yesterday to this, so.
You say?
Because I need to take my drops now with the food.
That is.
What is he say? What is he say? When the food what I keep here, they have to say.
My friend no carry that energy where that old man use. That guy use the. I just dey come back from escorting Nika. The chair I got shift down now. You know how she be now. The food, you know, she was hungry now. Wait till I make I talk now. You know how's your food be now. Guy, they do like this.
Have you seen it? This is exactly why I never wanted you to stay back home. Yes. Oh, so because of Neka, now he make you no come work today. He can't lie say you know where. I no blame you. You see this food? You go give me food where I go take check my drugs. Go and find me food where I go chop. Oh, I will, if not, I go change that for you for this house.
Go meet that old man, eh? That one way that old man. He never tell her. Guy, I will go for restaurants for you. Think
Thunder kill you. Thunder finish you and that Neka. You see, Thunder will go fire you, go come from your kindred. I don't blame you. As your chef, Abi. As your big chef.
Come on for here, Joe.
Fred, no try me, oh. No try me for this house. Man, don't use this annoyance. Wait.
You know, see.
I they come.
Go meet that old man, eh? Make he give you another one.
This is interesting. Look at what this girl is doing is funny. How can she be refusing to marry just because she's richer than all her suitors?
Dad.
Look at this girl. Though. She doesn't know that love and marriage has nothing to do with money. Just find the right man and start dating so that you don't start having children out of wedlock.
You do realize this is just a story, right? This is
Yes,
Dad, it's a fictitious story written by somebody who probably has no idea about love. Why are you making a fuss about it?
Well, I hope you also know that these fictitious stories are written out of real life experiences. That's why you call them fiction, we call them faction. A marriage of facts and fiction.
Daddy, is there something you want to say to me? I mean, now's the time to say it.
Okay. Okay, now you're not able, I mean, you know, it's not easy for you. So, I mean, maybe you should try this site that I subscribe to. This site that I frequent.
What is this?
It's a dating site. It's called Swipe Love.
Swipe love. Daddy, you're damn near 60. You've been married 3 times. Twice divorced, once widowed. What the hell are you doing on a dating site? What the hell is Swipe Love? 250 women! What?
They like me.
This is modern day prostitution. You should give your life to Christ.
But I'm a Christian. I go to church.
Yeah, but you're scoping single moms online.
Go away. You have a way of taking the joy out of something. But I can't bear to see you like this. I mean, if you go on this dating site, it could help your condition.
I'm sorry, what is my condition?
Oh, come on, my darling. Don't pretend that we don't know. I mean, this is you, 30 and above, beautiful job, beautiful girl, beautiful house, always sitting in front of the television, watching television, then from the television, walk, television. You don't even go to church. You don't even take public transport where you could get the chance of being toasted. You don't mingle. You're just walking and watching television.
Okay, so that's how you see me, right? A workaholic daughter who's a failure and obsessed with watching telenovelas, right?
No, not a failure. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if that was too harsh. I'm sorry, my dear. But what I'm saying, it breaks my heart to see you like this. Look, I don't that. I don't know.
If you were this loving and so caring, how come it didn't work out between you and mom?
Your mother, I loved her with every fiber of my being.
Did you? Because you left her when she needed you the most.
Well, yes, that was at the peak of my career. I was on top of the world. The successes, the breakthroughs, all the achievements, everything got into my head, and I was let loose on the world. I forgot those who mattered a lot to me, and I was abroad when she died of ovarian cancer, very lonely. And since then, I have been lonely. I don't want you to end up like me. At least I've even enjoyed the company of your mother. You haven't enjoyed the company of any man. This is a dreary world of loneliness. What am I doing in your house? I'm lonely. Don't go there, my daughter. That's why I need you to be active.
Actually, maybe I'm just trying to be very careful so I don't end up with a man like you.
No, you
Daddy?
need to be trending on the social media.
Daddy,
so that
we're done with this conversation. Can we watch the series in peace?
Like a lone bird, I'm all by me.
Daddy.
But deep inside, my heart yearns for love. Why is love far from me? My life is falling apart.
I know that, Becca. Yes, ma'am. My name is Becca Nganga. I am 31 years old. I'm looking for a serious relationship. He must be hardworking, gentle, and good looking. He must be within the age bracket of
Dad? Good morning. I'm off to work. Your food is in the kitchen. When you're ready, please just microwave it.
Oh, all right.
Call me if you need anything. Oh, Dad?
Yes.
Please don't bring any woman or women into my house. Can you respect my space, please?
Oh, come on. Don't you trust me?
No.
I love you too, darling.
Bye.
There goes my beautiful daughter. 950 messages overnight. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Now let me reply. Each of these young men, well, young men, old men, guys, dans ce manteau, touché. Voilà. Amour.
Like a lone bird, I'm all by me. But deep inside, my heart yearns for love.
Morning, guys. Are you okay?
Good morning.
Is everything all right? Please go back to your seats, would you? Would you please go back to your seat, sir? What's funny? Silly human beings with like a How's that?
Why didn't you tell me to sign up for Swipe Love?
Swipe what?
Swipe Love! Check out your profile. Becca Nganga, your bio says you're in need of a life partner. And look at that picture, so beautiful. I'm so proud of you, finally. My bestie is ready to
Okay,
mingle.
bring your voice down. Stop shouting. I didn't do this. I don't know about this. Who did this?
What? You didn't do it?
No!
Well, whoever did deserves a gift from me.
Is that why everybody has been smiling at me awkwardly?
Mm-hmm. Swipe love. Go ahead. Swipe. Swipe love.
Stop it. This has Coach Nganga's hand.
Wait, your dad?
More like my soon-to-be ex-housemate. Because his handwriting is all over this thing.
Anyways, just swipe.
Stop smiling before I...
Sorry.
Now everybody, but you know what?
So I really liked the picture of a daughter I saw online. Well, I wasn't really expecting my father to be the one to respond.
Well, it's all for the best. Becca is my only child. She trusts my judgment. Well, that's why I'm here by myself. But tell me, what exactly do you do for a living?
Well, you know, sorry about that. Would you like to join me? So, when am I going to meet your daughter in person?
Never.
Wallahi talai, I will make your daughter my fourth wife.
Fourth wife?
Yes, fourth wife. I have married 1, 2, 3 from every tribe. Remain Igbo girl now. I want to marry her as my fourth wife.
I will prefer my daughter to die single than for her to be your fourth wife.
Me ya kawo mutuwa akan magana kuma. Die single? Well, I am around.
Abba, I want her to have love and attention from you.
Love and attention? In other, my wife 1, 2, 3 at home, and my children will give her attention. And if it is love, kuma, if there is money, there is love. I have plenty cows. Shani kai diyawa, garki diyawa ina giya maka wallahi. I can take care of her.
Alhaji, can you take my 4 punches?
4 punches kuma a wannan magana? Ha, no. I can take care of your daughter. I have the money, I have everything. No punches kuma for this magana now.
Okay. I will not give you my daughter.
Why?
Wonder the number. Nah. When my ego comes, we do the wedding.
A traditional wedding.
Traditional wedding. Coach, when my container lands bomb from China, that's Shinko, we go to church. Coach, I was even a gum nana. Give me now one coach. Then never give up a call. Coach, I'm boys now. I'm at in and out. Container number every day. Coach, when boys, he didn't really worry. Even in the boy, even if we go. You want to go? I'm considered the coach. Emmanuel Mona told him innocent spare pass. Coach, and when shops never call for. Emmanuel Poeba not to pass. I'm coach. He didn't need the can what go on do okay. Emmanuel Omangolo. Maybe an allowance, Maracuya salary, Racuya allowance. On our mom waka. Grandchildren get regular and how about clean now? Are they happy? Man, don't look, coach. You know why you? And I must be the coach. You want to go? If you are they happy in only 157 years. A man like you. Coach, I'm going to get
I think I have to relocate to another place.
I'm all by me.
Don't worry.
But deep inside,
Let me relocate.
tears for love.
Right, and they come and run this package. Now they watch this car. Oh boy, the car they no be small, you know. I don't know whether I go Medugri. Oh boy, I use my hand wash my own package. You don't come out the whole.
I don't come out. I don't want.
Nah, keep on.
See that car for them.
Which
guy?
car?
That car now.
This black car.
Yes.
What's happened?
Guy, at least that car now 5 million naira.
5 million.
5 million naira.
Now you dey shout. Now what do you want? Use 5 million naira card.
5 million naira motor.
You get 5 million. Wait, if they give 5 million, I go use and go buy this car.
Before.
But you not get sense. So see, as an Igbo man, if you give me 5 million naira, I go use and go invest in a lucrative business. And this the business going to bring out money. Go use and they buy other things. You feel well buy this car if they give me 5 million.
Your mouth like lucrative business.
Guy,
you will be ordinary Sienna driver. You wait till you feel invest. People when they drive and they get 2 heads. They get 2 heads and they ask you people when they drive that motor they get 2 heads.
Nah,
reason now.
Wait till. But you get fine, sir.
I see what you see. Me if I see her, but my eye just concentrate on the motor because girls like that, they don't give you a nice face.
Meaning what?
But she fine.
What do you make it say she no fit give us attention? Because say we poor abi, because say I be driver. Oh boy, this life na package yo. Depends on how you package yourself, how you focus your attention, talk to the person. Why you no go? If they talk say if I come woo this girl now, she no go accept.
You go woo her. I didn't say you no fit woo this girl.
Say me Ejike no fit woo this girl.
You no fit woo her.
Oh boy. Mo put her something.
I don't put her.
Mo put her. Wait.
Anything where you want. I don't.
Wait.
You dey go?
I dey now here. I dey tell you this. What is this? Who is this?
You dey go true.
Guy, wait. I dey come.
You serious? But no forget to guy. Now that motor be the sort of people I got caught.
Guy, cool down.
You dey go?
Oh,
where you dey go?
Young man, how fit are you?
Okay. Me, I be sharpshooter. Oh. She never hear of my story, ni? Go Maraba, go Pape. They go tell you of my doings. Some be grandchildren once, ni. Bring your daughters come. Go arrange them 180 position. In 2 seconds.
Hey,
You
excuse
go
me.
ta.
I say, how fit are you? What do you do for a living? How financially fit are you?
You know, no, that one they talk about.
And you want to put my daughters in 180 positions. And what if I give you 180 punches now? What would you do?
Me no know that one they talk la. You never reach like that now, boss. Pale, calm down. Just take a chill pill.
Hey,
relax.
Get out.
You say?
Get out before I give you 180 punches.
Pale, don't be you want marry your daughters. I don't know what you do like this. Calm down. Now you want marry your grandchildren. I be you want marry your children join. Pale, calm down. You never reach like that. I just saw you they do shoo. They do. Just relax.
Look at this young man. They come online and they post beautiful pictures. In real life, they are touts and rascals. Waiter, give me beer for one.
Well, actually make that 2. Good day, sir.
And who are you?
Can I sit, sir?
Please.
Thank you very much, sir. My name is Russell Lejofor.
Oh!
I'm supposed to meet with Becca and Ganga, but I assume you're a father.
You're the Russell guy.
Yes.
Are you the doctor of a guy?
Well, actually, I'm a nurse.
Nurse.
Yes, sir.
You look better in real life, Russell. Do you exercise?
Well, I often, thank you. Well, I often play football.
Football?
Yes, sir.
Did you watch the last match between Arsenal and Man United?
Of course, I did.
Lottie. What did you think of the game?
It was quite unfortunate that Man U didn't live up to expectation.
Unfortunate.
It wasn't their day.
Oh, Lottie.
Because they had opportunities to
Yes.
equalize, but I think fate wasn't on their side.
That goalkeeper, the save.
That particular one.
Wonderful save.
Quite exceptional.
Wonderful save.
Quite exceptional.
Oh my God.
Thank you, sir.
Oh no. To it.
Thank you very much, sir.
Hi. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
It seems you're looking for someone.
Yeah, I actually came to pick my dad up.
Uh-oh. Well, anyways, I noticed that you're staring around, so I decided to come and say hello to someone as beautiful as you are.
Oh, thank you. That's so sweet.
You're welcome. I came here to see a friend of mine. We'll have some business to discuss.
Oh, I see.
Do you mind if I have your contact so we can talk some other time?
Sure. Let me just give you my card.
Okay.
Here's the one that loves me better.
Here you go.
Oh.
I'm Becca, by the way.
Oh, it's all here.
Right.
My name is Ejike.
It's nice to meet you.
You're welcome. Well,
You too.
I'll see you.
All right.
Thank you.
Like a lone bird, I'm all by me. But deep inside, my heart yearns for love. Why is love far from me?
You're a truckload of troubles and you're drunk. Good for you.
Has it ever occurred to you that life would be boring if people didn't do the things I do?
Listen, you better get used to boredom because from now henceforth, there is no form of internet or access to a laptop as long as you're under my roof. Do you understand?
You can't do that. I'm not some 15-year-old brat under
I
your roof.
just did because you made me look like some desperate, lonely, love-seeking woman at the office. Are you kidding me? A dating site? Really?
You're crazy, Becca. I did what I felt was good.
Coach Nganga, thanks, but no thanks. I'm going home and I'm not waiting 1 second. So if you know what's good for you, better meet me in the car.
Oh boy! I
God come for you.
I
God come for you. Oh boy, now from today I dey respect you.
Confirm.
Oh boy, how you take run now? How you take run now?
Oh boy, if you see this restaurant where this girl enter, me and you no fear afford to speak inside.
You serious?
I can tell you. Nah.
But at first you say this kind girl dey pass our level.
Eh?
So now you make oh boy.
So what do you want now? What do you talk about now? Oh, you want less scope for analysis from my hand. Oh boy, I better give me the money. We will talk. I be.
I say I go buy you food throughout this month.
Do you know I even brought her phone? Say make I collect number. She enter inside, I go give me card. See level.
Give me the card.
See, give me which dirty card? See
Give
level.
me the card. Sharing is scary.
You don't even know how I take it this one.
How you take it? I think another your Akoroka phone you use.
I don't know what's in there. They find I can't see I'm inside of that dashboard.
Oh boy, na charm phone.
Ejike. Oga don't distress us too much. Seriously. That man distress us too much.
Fred, any day where you go begin believe me, things go better for you. I'll not tell you. The day where I open my mouth, tell you say that man, you see that man, Oga, you know go make heaven. It isn't a joke at a joke. I know what's in the pain the man. You see that his car, where I carry that day, where I go meet that babe. It's still a pain now. A pain for body. But you know what talker. Because we did not seek his consent before taking the car.
No be lie. No be lie. All your day your head. Speaking about that babe, you don't call her. Fix the date when I go, you know.
Call who? Which babe?
The rich lady with the car now. Eh?
No, I haven't. Why?
Which one be why? Eh? You just dey chop my money on the low. How I no sure say you go meet her that day, go dey ask her for employment. Eh? Come the package they whine me say you dey toaster.
Why they talk like this now? Eh? You just open your mouth. If you don't know what you go talk, just quick man, shut up your mouth. Maybe fly don't say your mouth. I know I was still going to do this, but what I'm trying to do is...
Oh, but leave this English. You know what they're trying to do? Call this babe.
Fred, have you forgotten that I went to meet her like a king? I used Oga's car to meet her. Going there again now, she might start demanding something I cannot provide.
Oh boy, this was not the plan. Ojoro don't carry a leg enter this man. The plan was that you will go there as a conductor that you are. Woo her and get her. Tell me you king.
Fred, why are you talking like this? Were you not there? Fine. I tried the conductor part, which did not work. Brother, I have to improvise. And it worked. You're pushing me to do this and do that. Do this and do that. Fred, do you have any money to spend? Because as for me, I don't have sheshe.
Okay. But see, as a sharp guy where you be, all I want from you now to toast this babe. Chop her. Clean your mouth and on to the next one. Is it the first time?
Fred, what is wrong with you? Where is your conscience? Now I know why the Bible called us evil generation. You're a bad company. Don't you have a sister?
I'm a bad company. All of a sudden, is this the first time you are doing it? Eh? Is it a bad thing that as a friend, I want you to catch big fish this time around?
Fine.
I've
heard you.
How you come?
It's not You have to keep your own side of the promise, oh.
Are they ever fail?
At least until the end of this month. I know why they talk.
I know
so
they
after
ever
that,
pay
come again, they tell me, say, my man got in and they had the hand and all this one. I know go want hear that kind of story. But one near die for. But when him be here.
So you been dey hide the card for me.
Yes, Obi. Better shut up. I don't make you hear another voice. Please don't say a word. Hello, good afternoon. Yes, I hope you remember me. Yes, do you remember me? Well, this is the guy at the restaurant, HEK by name. I'm sorry you've not heard from me for a while. Yes. Well, I am calling to know how your schedule will be by tomorrow. Okay, fine. I don't know. I'm thinking of a dinner tomorrow. It's all right. In that case, I will take you to Ruben's. All right, no problem. It's fine. It's all right. I'll call you tomorrow then. Okay. No problem. Take care of you. Just take good care of yourself and have a lovely day. Bye. It shock you? We have a date. Tomorrow at Ruben's. What is it?
You know where the Ruben?
What did happen there?
Hey.
Wait. What?
Yeah. One plate for there at 20,000 naira.
My birthday.
Hey, Rubens. By the time she ordered this, ordered that, you know, see a high class babe. TikTok, Snapchat, anything. Before you know it, your bill don't enter 200K. One wash plate from now till you die. And guys say now, Rubens, okay. Rubens, okay.
Fred, wait.
Oh my God.
Fred, wait. Are you sure of what you just said?
I'm sure.
True though. Hey! Fred, have you seen it? Peacefully, I was enjoying the what we were playing. And you insisted I should call her. Now I've called her. Ruben, please. Sorry, Fred. Tell me, what do we do?
Relax. I have a plan. Pick 2. General Market and last card. Check up. Game over. I be star boy. I did for you. Relax.
I don't know what to do.
This your worry now when they make me the worry. I say calm down. What you go do be say, that my uncle, Samu. You know say na him be the security man for that big mansion. And the owner don't live for Europe for long now. And my uncle Samu travel. Guess what? Na me hold the key.
Oh wait, I don't understand. Fred, are you hold the key to that big mansion?
Na me hold the key to that big mansion.
Hey! Follow who no road. Are you serious?
I dey tell you now.
This is great news.
Yes now. Then hey, wetin you go wear that day? Go meet Chijoke.
Chijoke?
Yes, go meet Chijoke.
Who be Chijoke?
Chijoke, Neka brother now, the dry cleaner. We'll just carry all those big men suit or tie or jeans or anything where your pick, anything, if not native or anything where you want to go carry them that day. Yes.
It's making sense.
So now, then you go prepare one delicious food for her. Now waiting go woo her be that. Now define. I don't think now waiting go woo her.
But wait, what if she no come like my food?
They born her way. I should not go like your food. I go borrow phone for you. You know, say that phone where you collect from chairman this thing. I don't give chairman back. Me will not get problem. I go borrow phone for you. I go borrow cloth for you. We go rent house. You go cook better food. I should. After all these things, in short,
He said, I'm not wait. He said we rent house again. Oh no. Okay. What happened? I think he said.
I said now your worry they worry me. Now your worry.
You make me come hard. My mind come fly. I want to get you.
Oh, so what I dey talk be say, last, she must enjoy herself that day. If not, we go punish her for that.
Hey.
She won't go unpunished.
I can't wait. In fact, you see my cooking skill. I'll put everything.
You go enter.
Hey, follow me. I think. Oh boy. Fred, please tell me the truth. Are we in heaven? Or we're still here on planet Earth? Hey! This is good. Fredo! Wait, what is this?
This one na chandaria, I mean chandalia.
Chan who?
For the asha. Now understand.
Chan what?
Chandaria, they call it chandalia.
Sandarini? Oh, Sandaria.
Chandalia,
Oh boy.
I go ask no worry.
Oh boy. Hey! Jesus. Oh boy, come see artwork. Oh boy. This your uncle. Now what though? Oh boy. You know, you understand? Grace. Hey. One day, I go to Buga. Jesus Christ. Oh God, this is paradise on earth.
I don't rent them for you. I borrow. If you like, lose gas them, man. You know how much be that for one day?
iPhone.
I tell you, say I'm the star boy I did for you. They doubt me.
Oh God. Hey! Mama K! You don't share them off with electric, you don't want it. Where the grace? Oh, but see, I go to use them like this. I made a nose in an iPhone. Like this. Hello? Hello. Hi Becca, how you doing?
I'm all by me, but deep inside, my heart yearns for love. Why is love far from me? My life is for.
I tell you, say I'm the star boy I did for you. They doubt me. They doubt me.
Only this one day here.
They shout, this one small. Follow me. Wait until you see the upstairs. You go, no, say I carry you call somewhere. They look me like cinematography. They come, Joe. I said they come.
China say, hey! Akama Heto. This is Akama Heto. Hey! Jesus. Hey! China say.
No, say I've never pressed them before.
This is Akama Heto.
You never pressed them before. You never pressed them before.
If no be say I wise up, Nana, so these girls for carry my clothes run. as they come scatter clothes everywhere. When I see them, I think say customers don't come. I don't know say na thief come. See as that one carry my clothes, they run kitty kitty kitty. If not be say me, I run kata kata follow am. My madam for don't send me enter prison today. Thank God. They not get money. They buga for Abuja. Thief. See all my clothes. Don't give me work now.
No. It's not what you think, darling. See, I am so sorry. It's just that something came up, but I don't think I will make it. Yes. But what if I invite you over to my place? Yes, I'm sorry. I know we just met, but... No, it's just a harmless visit. But if you're not comfortable with that, I could come over to Ruben's. Yes. Okay, see what happened. I'm doing the cooking. It's funny, right? No, I also want you to come over to test my food. Yes. Oh, thank you. Let me quickly send you the address. Good. Okay, darling. See you soon. All right, bye. She don't accept to come. She said she dey come. You be. Oh
Wait. If you know say you know sabi chop like better human being, better go practice now. I tell you.
Go quickly go rehearse. You know, see na knife and so cutlery sabi. Knife and
Cutlery skill you there. Carry this thing, finish the work. You keep slave for here.
Boy, wait, now time no day. You know whether she don't hit the road. You know so I'm supposed to go bed.
Come where you just make now.
Calm down now.
My friend, do this thing.
You know the kind of like na Benz oh. Bros, na beg. Make I just rush, I beg.
Oh boy, don't come out of this kitchen. Do your job.
Hey!
Oh boy, but now, not good news.
Oh boy, you now good.
I checked his address on Google, and he doesn't live too far from here, but I don't know that I'm comfortable with going to his house on the first date.
Does that matter? Maybe for somebody like you, does it really matter?
Excuse you, what's that supposed to mean? But need I let you know, ma'am? I'm excited, not desperate.
Okay.
You don't know me. If he does anything now, just sweep me under the rug.
Becca, here you go again. You've started. Look, are you going or not? Mind you already told him you were coming. So.
Should I go or should I stay?
Look, you know what? If it make you feel any better, I'll be somewhere nearby. Maybe a store or something. And if anything goes wrong, I'll be on call. And I'll have the police or security on standby. Is that okay?
It's not that serious, you're just extra.
Dress up, let's go.
Yeah, come on, straight to my hair now.
Okay.
Oh, well, I don't know if I
let's stretch out.
But deep inside, my heart yearns for love. Why is love far from me? My life is falling apart.
How then? Oh my, you're welcome, darling. You look good.
So do you.
You look so beautiful, as always. You're welcome. You're welcome to my literal abode.
You're right. Very nice place.
Thank you. Well,
Wow.
dinner is served.
Wow.
You like the food?
Oh God. What?
What's going on?
I'm sorry. Wow.
For somebody who lives like this, I'm really surprised that you don't have a chef or a cook at your beck and call. And you really do know how to cook.
Thank you. Should I say I was well raised by my mom? Yes. And plus I took a cooking class while in school. Yes.
That explains it. I mean, if you weren't already living well, I'd have said, you should start cooking for a very huge restaurant or, or maybe just set up your own place. This is good.
That's a good idea anyway. But, I never thought about that.
You're fine, don't worry. Wow. You want to hear something funny?
Yeah. What's that?
So one time, we were going to go to Ruben's. That's, compared to this, their food is whack, like really whack. So we got there, myself and my friend Diwa. We bought food, rice to be, precise. And it tasted like sawdust. I'm not playing. And then the grains were so hard and it was so expensive. Like I was mad. I'm not gonna lie. I was really mad.
You're not serious. Please admit it. Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, this is good. So, how about I come here during the weekend so you could teach me how to cook? I mean, if that's okay with you.
Honey, darling, you can come over here anytime, any day. You're welcome. This is your home.
Oh, that's good to know.
Thank you for liking my food.
Yeah.
I like you as well.
This isn't no like, this is love. I mean, this is good.
You can still enjoy the fruits.
I will.
They're all for you.
What the? Hit the right spot.
Thank you.
Love is a beautiful thing, yet I could never find the effort to smile to it. I never knew love would ever be so real. Now you make me believe in true love. I never knew love would ever be so real. Now you make me believe in true love. Here's the one that loves me better. I found the one who loves me better. Who loves me better. Here's the one that loves me better.
Jeez, blood of... Daddy, you scared me.
Where are you coming from? I mean, I called you 5 times. You didn't respond. It's not as if you keep late nights. You got me worried.
Sorry, Dad. I went out with a friend.
Diwa?
No, not Dua.
Oh, that's great. Good news then. It's okay. Hold on. It looks like we are out on some food stuff. So I made a list. You have to pick them up tomorrow from the supermarket.
No, that can't be possible because I bought everything when I went grocery shopping yesterday.
Well, you missed out on some things. It's in the list I made.
Alright, it's fine, no problem. I'll buy them on my way back from work tomorrow.
Alright.
No.
Good night.
Dad, I'm ready. Please bring the list.
I'm coming.
crap. I need to my confused. I bought all the... Here you go. Hi.
Okay, man, your money is 75,000.
I'm sorry. I think I forgot my ATM card. Let me just make a transfer.
I'm sorry, ma'am. We don't accept transfer here.
No, actually, I mean, give me a bank account. Let me put the transfer. I would wait for it to clarify. I understand that's what the problem is.
Ma'am, we don't accept transfer.
Okay, so the thing is, I can't find my ATM card. I definitely am not going about.
Please, we don't accept transfer.
Why are you being rude? I don't have a means of payment except for the transfer. So what's the issue? What is your problem? You know what? I want to speak to your manager.
Hi. Hi, sir.
Good afternoon.
Welcome, sir. Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, so
Okay.
I know you see me standing right here. I know you see me standing right here.
Is everything okay?
No, everything is not okay. I bought some items. I'm trying to pay for them. I can't find my ATM card. All right, let me make a transfer. She's being rude and disrespectful while telling me I can't do that.
Sir,
I just
No. Listen, young lady. I mean, you don't talk to your customers rudely. Okay, so how much is this stuff?
75,000.
You know what? Just add it up to mine and...
Thank you. I'm sorry, what? Wait. Huh?
No, it's nothing. It's okay, all right?
No, I can actually pay for it. I just want to make a
It's
transfer and
fine. It's fine. I understand how these things happen, okay?
Greatest desire?
What did you say?
Your cologne. Greatest desire.
Oh, wow. That's impressive. Must be a fan.
1800 BC.
You don't say. You're so deep.
And you have on my favorite color, and you support my favorite football club.
Okay, I understand that part where I'm wearing your favorite club. But don't tell me you love football.
Don't let this dress fool you. I'm a Chelsea fan.
You don't mean it.
Listen, I eat, sleep, breathe Lukaku. Don't play with me.
Well, it's quite rare seeing women, love football.
I know. Like I said, do not let this dress fool you.
It's quite impressive. And talking about football, I think we
Have another one in 15 minutes. That's why I'm trying to hurry up before she will start it. You know what?
just that. Okay.
You gotta go home to watch mine. Where would you be watching yours?
Oh, well, I have a regular spot of mine where I do watch. That's if I don't want to do it at home.
Oh, nice. I'll be watching mine from home.
Well, I don't know if you have that much time on your hands. If you don't mind, we could go sit at that regular spot of mine. Remember, it's your favorite team playing.
I know.
And Lukaku will be starting up.
Oh, all right then.
So is that a yes?
Yeah. Please hurry up and pack them up.
Thank you so much.
It's hard to miss because, my mom used to wear it when I was way younger.
Okay.
And then thinking about it now, it actually smelled like roses.
Roses on a dewy morning. That's it.
Yeah.
Now that we're done with the whole match thing, I mean, where's this waiter? Why is it taking so long? Waiter! Why is it taking him so long? Oh, wow. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Listen, this meat pie here is the best in town. Thank you very much.
Okay, no. This cannot be happening.
What is it?
So first of all, I bumped into you in a supermarket that I shopped in for years for the very first time. Wearing my favorite cologne, supporting my favorite football club, and now we're here on this mini lunch date, eating my favorite snack from the same spot that I would usually order it from.
I mean, let's just call it coincidence. That's what it is.
This is not, no, this is too good to be true. Nothing can be this accurate. No.
Wait, are you this down straight to the point?
I mean, I work in a bank, and everything fleshes out itself, but I guess I'm applying the same theory to life. But then nothing is this accurate. Is it?
You know what? I mean, let's just have fun, okay?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry I'm being weird.
No, it's fine. You know what? I was quite impressed with our boys' outing today.
I know.
Except for...
Lukaku did his thing.
What did he do? He did nothing.
Excuse you. That's my future ex-husband, so don't say that.
Yeah, right. Now I know. Well, if you ask me, my man of the match still remains Conte.
I think Lukaku actually was the one who saved us because, how will come about 3-0 if not for him?
We're just falling. Rising and falling.
One time. Why are you such an enemy of progress? What's the problem?
But they did well.
Of course they did well. I thought I won the match. Dad, good morning. I'm off to work.
My boy.
Morning, sir.
Right on time. Come right in.
Thank you very much, sir.
That's great.
So good to see you, sir.
My pleasure. Oh, please sit down.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
I brought you a token, sir.
Oh, my.
It's your favorite, sir.
Yes. This is great. This is great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Please sit down. I'll be with you, sir.
All right, sir.
Yeah. Hit. Hit it. Kopidara menyogo kesimi. Kopidara menyogo kesimi. Yes, sir. This is all you need to get my daughter. All right.
Coach, honestly, this is way too much.
Yeah, right. Well, you know, good things need time and some adequate attention. So tell me, do you like Becca, my daughter?
I guess so, sir.
From the get-go, I made it very clear that Becca is a rare gem.
Yes, you did, sir.
Yeah, she's a special girl. She's not just one of these your common girls, right? I'm doing all this because I want nothing but the best for her. So it's not a matter of you guessing. We need to know that you're sure. So I want to find out. Are you ready to get onto this second leg of the game or not?
I am, sir.
I need to hear you say it.
Say what exactly, sir?
That you are ready to get onto this next part of the game.
Oh, absolutely. I am very much ready, sir. Very much ready, sir.
Very well.
Yes, sir. Oh.
Don't fuck this up.
I won't, sir.
Great. So, sit down. Flip onto the next page.
Okay, the next page. All right.
Morning, guys.
Hey, good morning, boss. Welcome.
Surprise, surprise. Good morning. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Have on blue.
It's merely a coincidence.
Right.
You look good.
So do you.
I got you something. It's a gift.
Oh, for me?
Yes, for you. I hope you like it.
Beautiful thing, yet I could never find the effort to smile to it.
My daughter is not materialistic. Whatever she wants, she gets. Because she has the means to do so. So, don't think you can buy her with money. But you can get some of these gifts, little gifts, some of this easily neglected stuff. She's happy with them.
Coach, how about I get a brand new car? I mean, I'm talking of the latest ones. Designer bags and also, this hair that women crave.
Get a wristwatch. Wristwatch.
Hmm?
A watch.
A watch.
And you'll see her glow.
A watch. A fine watch. Hmm.
Yes, so now another area that's very, very important. Don't force yourself on my daughter. Then you try that, you die.
I don't seem to understand that, sir. Is she infected or she's cursed?
She's not infected. She's not cursed. You try that, I kill you myself. Do we agree on that?
I think I understand now, sir.
Great.
Easy, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Her favorite movies?
Anything on telenovela, sir.
Great. Her best hangout places?
Hurry
up, boy.
The Rubens, the beach, work, Heimat supermarket. Well, that's not really a hangout spot, but in case she needs to do groceries, that's where she goes to. And anywhere her friends invite her to, sir.
Beautiful. Best time to call her?
Saturdays and Sundays. Sundays after church, and
hurry up.
Every other day, 2 p.m. and 5 p.m., sir.
Lovely. And it happens and there's a scenario and we have to meet each other?
Sir?
We have to meet each other?
I have never met you before. I've never seen this face before, sir.
Lovely. And what about the house?
Which house, sir? This one? I have never stepped my foot into this premises, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely, sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
I think you are ready for the game. Yes. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Be a man. Man up, chin up. That's my boy.
Love is a beautiful thing, yet I could never find the effort to smile to it. I never knew love would ever be so real. Now you make me believe in true love. I never knew love would ever be so real. Now you make me believe in true love. Here's the one that loves me better. I found the one who loves me better. Loves me better.
Actually coming together.
Wow. You're doing great anyways.
Thank you. I actually do have the best teacher.
Thank you, darling. Thank you. So, should I record the before?
So what are we cooking this fine day?
Is this your phone?
Oh, yes. Sorry, this is Fred here.
My name is Frederick. I'm a distant relative of a British Duke. Yes. And a business partner and friend of HK here.
Wow, this is actually my first time coming in close contact with someone from the British royalty. How come you don't have the accent?
Oh, Jesus.
I spent my early years in Africa.
Right.
Yes, so I'm not well acquainted with the
Oh, right.
Yes.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yes.
Well, it's nice to meet you.
Same here.
I'm Becca, by the way.
I know. He speaks a lot about you.
Does he?
Yes.
We were about making egg sauce and yam. Can we hurry up? I'm starving.
Okay, okay.
All right, I'll let you love bits be, okay?
Oh,
Yes.
All right, Fred.
okay. I'm done with that one, and that's it. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
All right, so I think you should do the onions because I'm not about to start crying.
Oh, don't worry, let me eat. Guy, what's up with you now? Eh? What did they do now? Why do you have to shop like that? I thought we agreed on something.
Agreed on what? AGK, agreed on what? You think you are the only one that want to enjoy from this fake rich lifestyle? Eh?
Fred, we've told Becca a lot of lies. Why can't carry your own again? Can't they join for the one why we don't tell them again? What if you have messed things up there? What do you think would have become of us?
Mess what things up? Eh? Mess what things up? Abi, you are forgetting that my money follow for this adventure. Eh? For this venture. You don't forget, ba?
Fred.
Allow me to lie my lie and enjoy this fake lifestyle. JJ.
Fred, this is no go end well. You see this leg where they bring out, you no go end well. My boss.
And then? If you know end well, and then what? At least we've had fun, enjoy ourselves. HK. Now love I dey see for this your eyes. HK. Are you in love? Hey!
Fred, you be my guy. I'm not gonna lie to you. You see these few weeks where me and Becca done the roll, my guy, it has been nice. See, all my life, I never ever see someone as wonderful as Becca. Every day we dey roll, anywhere we dey go, everything we would do. In fact, everything about us is an adventure. See, my boss. Be like say I don't dey like that girl. In fact, I don't dey love her.
It's an adventure. Cha. It's an adventure. My guy, wake up. The goal was for you to woo her, not to fall in love. That's small. You don't dey enter this your haircut. You be like person where they send for hookup, you come back with belly. Wake up!
Fred, now I know your type. I know the game you're playing. But make I tell you, guy, if you like, go tell them all the things within your mind. Make I tell you, you know if you do anything. Why? Becca don't they like me already. She don't they love me.
AGK, she's in love with the lies you are telling. With the person you dey form. Okay. If the owner of this house come now. If the owner of this house come now, what do you go do? You tell her. Eh? Right now, are you ready to get married? Are you capable of getting married right now?
Time don't reach when I go tell Becca the truth. Time don't reach when I go package myself. Go tell them everything where they happen.
AGK, who you be? Who you be, AGK? Who you be? Eh? Ordinary Sienna driver. I know you say the Sienna now you get down. Are you the owner of the Sienna? Eh? Are you the owner of the Sienna? You are living by God's grace daily. HK, life isn't as simple as you think. It's high time you ended these games before it gets into your head and you forget your place in this world. Ejike, people like you and I, we don't fit into Becca's standard. Before you ruin your life.
Fred, you lie. You lie! Now listen up. I fit be Sienna driver. Will not be my own, according to you. But wetin make you think say people like us no go feel love a babe and she go love us back every time simply because we know work she share? Fred, you're my friend. You've been my friend for a very long time. Watch me, I'll prove you wrong. For now, tell Richie me, free me.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
No, you don't look fine. What's the problem?
Do you love me?
Yes, I do.
If I am not the man you think that I am, will you still love me?
Listen, I'm not in any way materialistic and you know it. I don't care the amount of cars you have or the finest of houses that you've acquired. I don't care. I just need you to be there for me when I need you to be there.
You need someone reliable.
I guess.
I know he's in all aspects of life.
Absolutely. That's not too much to ask, is it?
What if I turn out to be unreliable?
Oh my God, you are thinking too far. Listen, I know that you're an amazing person, and I know for a fact that you are not going to leave me. I mean, come on. You have a great spirit. What is that?
I don't know what's going on.
You know what? Just pull up. Just park while you still can before the car goes off.
What is this?
Oh my God. Just careful, careful, baby. Careful.
Wait, let me check it out.
Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off.
Is
it okay?
Let me check.
All right.
I don't understand.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
Let me try. Hey. Hi.
Babe. Is everything all right?
I guess it should be electrical fault. But I don't know.
Okay, can you fix it?
I'll try. But
What happened?
I don't know. I don't even know where to start.
Look, calm down, okay? I can see you're getting all worked up, all right? Don't worry. You have other cars. Why don't you call your mechanic to come pick this one up?
You don't understand. It's just that I'm fond of this car. Besides, my mechanic is out of town.
Okay, you know what? Baby, come. How about I call my mechanic and, he'll come pick this one up. You're going to have to ride one of your other cars. My mechanic will sort it out, okay?
Thank you. That's fine. Thank you. Thank you.
Come, I love it.
Please call him right away.
Why don't you come sit down inside? So we don't just close it. Close the bonnet and just come sit down.
Inside, my heart yearns for love. Why is love far from me? My life is falling apart.
Hi.
Good day. How are you? All right, so babe, where do we start from?
I don't know. I mean, you brought it.
Okay. Oh,
Oh, wow.
what do you think?
Very cute. I would have picked that.
Okay, we'll take this. Let me see something.
I mean, this is cute as well.
Okay.
Wonderful.
You like it?
I like it.
Take this too. All right. Here we have it.
Oh my goodness, that is
Animal skin.
beautiful. Yes.
Just imagine you're in. This. That's cool. I will take this too. Your bags. Okay. How about this?
That
You like it?
I do.
I will take that too. All right.
How did you know that I needed to change my wardrobe for work?
Well, let's just call it my special power.
Oh. I'm gonna try the shoes on, and just hold on to this for me, would you?
Okay. Okay.
Where's your changing room? Let me just. Anything else you?
Do you have a size 10? I mean, corporate outfit, shade of blue. Okay. Get as many as possible.
All right.
I'll be waiting, babe.
Sure.
Okay, this should look nice too. Hello, sir.
Hello?
Yes, I have a feeling that your daughter is seeing someone else.
What do you mean seeing someone else? She has no one else to see but you.
I accidentally went through her phone and I realized she has plans with one AGK.
Is that the name of a thing, place, or animal?
Coach, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it's a guy. I mean, they've been chatting, texting all throughout it.
Hey, Russell, calm down. Calm down, Russell. Okay?
Sir, I tried to caution her because it was making me feel uncomfortable. But it almost turned out into a misunderstanding. And I don't want it. And I don't want to exchange words with her.
I'm sure there's nothing serious between my daughter and this GK fellow. Now, let's look at it this way. Okay? You are the best possible suitor any girl can have. And we have been introduced. So you are like a million miles ahead of this GK fellow.
Please, I've actually put in so much into this relationship for it to turn out like this.
Allow me to investigate this. I'm very certain there's nothing serious between my daughter and this GK of a person. But allow me to investigate it. If there is anything, I'll take care of it at once. But you have nothing to worry about. All right?
All right, please, coach. You know what? I will come over to the house tomorrow morning so we can talk about this in person.
All right. Just act the script as we have rehearsed it and be good.
All right, sir. All right, coach.
Fit perfectly.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but she bought new clothes.
Okay.
Let me just go try them on.
All right.
All right.
Sorry, my phone. Yeah. I didn't get a call, did I?
Check it, check it.
Oh, no. Doesn't look like I did.
Check it.
Oh, good evening, Dad.
Where exactly are you coming from?
I went out with Russell. Why?
I called Russell 2 hours ago and he said he dropped you off and you took a taxi.
Daddy, really? Are you serious? You're monitoring my life now?
Are you sleeping around with random men? Is that what you're doing?
Excuse me. Daddy, that's very disrespectful. I'm not that person and you know it.
I didn't dream up a liar.
Where is all of this coming from? What did Russell tell you?
Russell didn't tell me anything. I'm just worried that you're going to lose everything you have with a young man if you keep doing these things you do in secret.
I don't... Dad, I'm not going to lose Russell. I mean...
Well, I don't think I have to overemphasize the fact that it's not easy to find a young man like Russell who really loves and cares for you. So, my dear, you need to buck up, clean up your act, because I will not comfort you when things go bad.
I mean, a few weeks ago, I was single. All I had was my grapes, telenovela, and my job. I know I pretended like everything was okay, but deep down inside, I prayed and hoped to find someone. Fast forward to today, your girl has 2 men.
Ooh,
she can't decide
girl.
who she wants to be with. And I like them both.
Go, girl.
That's not something to joke about. I'm being serious. I'm really confused. Listen, HK, he's amazing. He's a sweetheart. He literally has a sweetheart. He talks about the future. He talks about our lives, how many kids we're going to have. That's so cute. Russell, on the other hand, oh my God, he gets me. Russell understands me. He's like me. He's like a boy version of me if I were a male like that. I don't know if that's a good thing, but he knows me. He understands me. Do I even watch his telenovela?
What? Are you sure he's not a sissy?
No, he's not. Oh!
Okay.
I mean, he's perfect. Maybe questionable, but he is perfect.
Well, Becca, you cannot marry 2 men.
I know.
This country, we do not practice polyandry. And it's not ideal to double date either. Trust me, you don't want I'm pregnant for John, but the baby looks like James situation. You cannot handle that.
Okay,
so you need to choose. I mean, it seems like you have it figured out. Choose Russell.
I can't. That's the thing. I like them both.
God, you're such a rookie. Okay, now listen. What you want to do is test both of them to know which one really loves you.
Okay, how do I do that?
Well, the big question.
You want me to ask them to marry me?
Becca!
What?
No! The big question is, why do you love me? Yeah, and you don't want to be direct. So you just want to find out why they like you and what they like about you. So this way you know which one is a scum and which one your heart chooses.
And you think that's gonna work?
I know it will work.
You're quite useful after all.
I am. She's in love with 2 men.
No, I didn't ask you to announce it to the office. Bring your voice down. I'm still the boss.
Coach, I told you that your daughter is cheating on me. She's seen someone else.
You know, the thing is that there's something familiar about that face. Something familiar about that face. I've seen that face somewhere. That's it. That's the Sienna driver I gave a black eye the first day I came into the city. That's criminal with my daughter. Hell no. This can happen. I will not let it happen.
Unbelievable. So ridiculous. So you mean your daughter is cheating on me with a bus driver?
Listen. I know this guy. I know what it looks like. But let me tell you something. You don't get angry. In my school of thought, you get even. That boy will not be a problem. Okay? If you do exactly what I'm going to tell you now, we'll get rid of him in no time. I'm no longer angry. I'm gonna get even.
I said it. Bus driver.
Can I ask you a question?
Go ahead.
Do you like me? I mean, I feel like love would be a stretch, but I want to know if you like me. Maybe love, but the way you would normally do.
I don't understand.
So, I'm just asking because I feel like I need to know if you do like me, what exactly do you like about me? And why?
Come on, darling. Well, if you really want to know, I like your modesty. Yeah? You're so humble for someone of your status. Yeah. And honestly, I never expected that you'll be my girlfriend. Not really. Just a real heartbreak is when someone like me is looking at someone like you from a distance, knowing fully that I cannot say hello or have you. Yeah. I'm privileged to have you. I'm blessed that I met you. You know, each time I'm with you, I forget my problems. I think less about things about life. Just focus my attention on you. Yeah. Just look at, here we are dining. Baker, you don't make me rich. But every moment with you is a motivation to struggle for a greater height. Yeah, I love you.
Here's your bill, sir.
Oh, thank you. How much is it? Okay. Jesus Christ.
What's the problem?
Oh God, I left my wallet in the car.
Oh, that's no
okay, let me go downstairs.
It's fine. No. Go all the way. No. I'll handle it. It's okay.
It's all right. Don't worry, my girlfriend will take care of it.
Coach, she's even paying for their meal. Oh, goodness. Hey. God.
Thank you. Girlfriend, huh?
Thank you.
I like that word.
Honey, thank you.
You're welcome.
Just made me proud. I enjoyed myself. I don't know about you.
I did. I had such a great time.
Thank you.
Why don't we go over to your house?
My house?
Yeah.
It's okay. It's fine.
It is?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, can you do some pictures?
Yeah, I'm trying to take a selfie. After an amazing lunch. Oh boy.
Do a selfie.
Okay. One second. Ah!
Should I use mine?
No, I got it. Okay.
All right.
Ooh. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Oh,
All right.
all right.
Thank you. It smells really fine. This one. Mwah.
I could never find the effort to smile to it. I never knew love would ever be so.
Oh boy, when this your babe they take things say she really loves you. That is saying. What if she wants marriage?
Huh?
Yes, now.
Well, for now, I don't know. Or maybe we'll figure things out.
Figure out what exactly? Eh? Or you want to tell her more lies? Don't you know nothing good built on lies?
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Fred, you and I know that I am a nobody. Don't even know why I started this whole thing in the first place.
HK. No one in this life is a nobody. Even you said it, and I believed it. Eh? I'm only saying, given how much you love her, you should tell her the truth. Tell Becca the truth before it gets late.
Fine. Very well then. I will.
Yeah.
But I need some time.
You need some time. Take as much time as you want, but the earlier you tell her, the better for you. Seriously. Hello?
Okay. Careful.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Hold on. I'll come see you now. Yes. You know what, babe? I need to block someone few junctions away from here.
Oh, okay.
You can go ahead with the shopping. Once you're done, just call me.
Without you?
Oh, come on.
You're gonna come back?
Yes.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
All right, baby. See you soon. Do you need anything? You know, when you come back, that's fine.
My dear, see that man. Hey, if I tell you story, I go gist you. Now so this man they carry woman up and down. You go carry this man, you go deal with him, you go dump him. I am telling you, the man marry my neighbor's sister. Hey, ha! This auntie now for her mind, she don't arise. Now so the man go use them, do am next, go dump him.
Hey,
I am telling you,
my sister, you don't tell why they hide this man. My heart just dey beat for her. Anytime I see him, go be like man jump follow am. But no say guy be as African woman why I be say they jump follow man like that. No say na man need ask me out.
My sister, like this now, run for your life.
I go carry my shoe put on top
they
my
run.
leg.
That auntie,
you don't say
that auntie now.
Hey,
now so the man go, dump am.
Thank God say I know you.
Say I know you.
Now so for this scatter my heart so.
Thank God for your life. Oh. I beg you, give me that.
I can't. I can't talk about this.
Okay. At least eat something, please. Eat something, please.
Fred, I'm not in the mood for food. I don't have the appetite. Please, can I be left alone?
Enough. We must talk about this now. It's better we talk about this now. You know, see. When I been to tell you, you no gree hear me. She was out of your league. This girl pass you. Even people way pass you safe. They no get mind to talk to that kind babe. Or you no hear me. Now see. The worst part be say if this girl find out the reason for this whole matter, how she go feel? You safe think am. If she hear say this thing na bet over just one plate of food. Think am now.
I can't get her off my mind. If we come out of my mind. The worst is that the way she heard about it was never how I planned it. It was never how I intended to. I tried severally to tell her myself. But words couldn't come out of me. God.
So you think the best way is to be crying? See as you dey swim inside self-pity, my guy. Abba. See as you dey swim, you be Michael Phelps. As you dey swim inside self-pity. You quit work. You no gree comot for this house. You no dey chop food. You no balance now. Yeah.
I have been poor long enough. It's high time I use my talent for something positive and get better.
I want to do it now.
Just give me a month. Just give me a month.
A month. A month to cry again. Then to dey swim inside pity. Hard guy. Small love. See as he fall your hand. Let me say I know they feel for you, but brace up, my brother. Eh? You sure say you no go eat?
How? Like, do you know how embarrassing this is? How could I have been so foolish? I didn't even bother to do a freaking background check.
It says here that he's been divorced 3 times for no reason at all. I found one of his exes on Facebook and she confirmed it. She also said Russell is a big-time jerk.
This is someone that has been professing love to my father, talking about how he wants to be serious with me and how he wants to settle down. Like, what do I do now? Russell is my last hope. What's going on? Why is everything just going?
Oh, Becca, calm down. Okay. Yes, he has 3 exes, but there's no guarantee you'll be the 4th. I think this is a matter of reason. Just talk to him. Look, if he acts up, then yes, he's a jerk. But if he doesn't, then just maybe there's a chance. He will just have to assure you that he won't run off after the wedding.
Do you think that'll work?
Just talk to him about it.
Look, I don't even know. Let me just get some work done in this office because I'm losing my mind at this point. What the hell are you doing here?
It's about Ejike and everything.
What now? Like you were not in on the lies?
See, Ejike only spoke to you because of a bet we made.
A bet? Wow, that's amazing. That makes me feel so much better.
Please, he didn't mean any harm. I promise you, he didn't mean any harm.
Oh, but then he went ahead to lie and deceive me and then fooled around with me, right?
See, at first, yes. But Ejike, I tell you, Ejike really loves you. And he's sorry for everything that he did. Eh? The thing is that, believe me, Ejike is a great guy.
Of course he's a great guy. He's your friend. What else are you going to say about him? He definitely is a great guy. And I'm sure you come from the same slum that he came from. Look, I don't want to disrespect you. I can't stand you. So get yourself and leave my office right now. And I mean that with all due disrespect. Leave. I should have known this guy was a joke. I mean, look at the shape of his head. Do you understand what I'm saying? Like,
Sorry.
Becca. Becca. No good morning for daddy this morning. Becca? Hello, girl. Girl? Becca? I'm coming in. Becca, I'm coming in. Hey, girl. Where are you? Boy. All these years. Ah. Russell, my boy. Yes. Can we meet tomorrow? Yeah, at our rendezvous. All right. All right.
You're welcome, sir. I couldn't explain, sir. It's not what you think. It's not what you think I can explain. Oh. Yes, sir. I had exes. I mean, ex-wives. Sir, the truth is, these women, they never loved me. I mean, those women never loved me. And that was why I actually had to put up for the dating site. Sir, I swear with all I have, the moment I've shared with your daughter have been the best I've ever had in a long while. I found peace with Becca. She's been able to give me all that I seek. Coach, please, sir. I don't want to lose Becca. I don't.
Well, is that what it looks like? Congratulations. Well done. Well, she feels that no marriage can pan out well with you. She feels you're a player.
Seriously?
She doesn't trust you anymore. Well, I think that's due in part to the trauma of her discovering her Sienna driver boyfriend.
Sir, I believe we can still work something out. I can fix this. All I ask for is just the opportunity to get to see her. I can assure you, I will definitely fix this.
You better do, because we need to scale things up immediately. The more time we waste, the more opportunity of a greater problem arise.
I absolutely agree with you on that, sir. I do, sir. I do.
All right. Well, I'm sorry for the punch, but you deserved it because you were hiding facts from me.
I'm sorry, sir.
Yeah, it's okay. Now, excuse me. Any more facts you're hiding before I proceed?
No, not at all, sir.
Dad? Dad, the laundry woman is on her way. Where are your clothes? I banned him from using this. Did you pay Russell? No. Did you plan on employing me a husband? Did you pay Russell to date me?
I don't know who you're talking about. I don't know what
Daddy,
you're talking about.
please do not play dumb with me because you know damn right I've seen your script! Did you pay Russell to date me?
I can explain.
There we have it. I don't know why everybody claims they can explain their life. Why didn't you tell the truth in the first place? That's the question. Why didn't you tell the truth? What? Let me guess. The legendary coach Ganga is scared of dying without grandchildren. You have to make it all about yourself. What about me? What? I'm 13, I'm not married. So what? You're supposed to be my father. You're supposed to protect me. But no, you put me in the hands of a liar and a pretender. What is wrong with you?
I was worried for you. I've watched you tell the story year in, year out that you don't need a man. You don't need a man. That's not true. Look, let me tell you. I don't want you to be like me. Old, alone, and misery, without anyone to assist me. I may be pretending I have it all worked out. That's a lie. Every night I kick myself for not putting in enough effort into my relationship with your mom. Maybe she will still be alive today. Maybe. Look, you think you're okay by yourself? No, you're not. You haven't been through the murky, dark and dreary waters of loneliness. I have been there. All my life has been all about loneliness. I've been alone. And that's not the life I want for my daughter. I want my daughter to grow up and have a life. Have a story to tell. Have people with which she will share a story. People with which she will mingle and live, not just exist. I'm sorry about what I did, but I had no option. I was just being the father that I am.
I've had more than enough dosage of your bullshit. Pack your things and leave my house.
My guy, where? One delivery man say make I give you that letter. Alpha. Ah! Lover boy. You better brace up, oh. Eh? For you remove that girl more for your mind. If not, attack go.
Fred, honestly, I can't imagine my life without her.
Can't imagine. But there was life before her, and there'll be life after her. Unless you want to take your own life by yourself.
It's obvious you don't understand.
Anyway, I spoke to her.
What did she say?
She wants nothing to do with you again. I don't know how you feel about this, but maybe you should go meet her, talk to her, explain everything from your point of view. You know, if she really loved you, then I don't think your status in life would matter.
I really don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do.
I think you should just try though. At least you have a clear conscience. As even if she rejects you because you don't know. Brace up, my brother. Just brace up. Ah! Oh boy, they calm down. Oh boy, let her read the letter, they cry. I go love. Oh. Yeah.
Jesus. Jesus. Jesus! Ruben! Fred. It's from Ruben's restaurant. They've accepted my application. Look at it! Look at it! Look at it! Ah! Jesus! Jesus! What? Come on! Come on! Hey! What is it? Ah! Oh, finally. I knew your cooking team will take you to places! Oh boy! I knew your cooking team will take you to places! Thank you! For that one.
I'm sorry, Becca. Okay, Russell is a total fraud. I know that. But Ejike, on the other hand, Ejike is a keeper.
Yeah, and the king of liars. Forgot to mention that.
But you told me he passed the test. Hmm? And I mean, if he actually borrowed clothes, a car, and a mansion just to impress you, then that guy must really love you. And I'm talking about the type of love that'll go from this earth to the moon and back for your sake.
Look, please, do be realistic. All these things you're saying, be very realistic. What if he got close to me just because he wanted to dupe me? You know how these guys act there these days? I mean, you know how they act. What if he just wanted to do something crazy?
Okay, now tell me, be honest. Would you have gone out with him if you knew he was a bus driver?
That doesn't make it okay. It doesn't make it okay for him to lie. And I'm over it. I'm done with this conversation because it's starting to look like you're defending him and I don't have the time for that.
Sorry. Sorry, Becca. Good morning, Coach.
What are you doing here?
I'm sorry, my daughter.
Dad, I honestly don't need your apologies right now. Honestly.
Listen, I know that no one is perfect. And that's probably what makes life interesting. You're my blood, the only one I can call family.
Right.
So how can I live with myself knowing that I broke my daughter's heart? Please, my daughter, I am sorry. Forgive me. I didn't mean to hurt you.
Becca?
What? I'm not upset. I'm over it. I mean, to be honest, I kind of understood why you did what you did, but it doesn't make it okay. But I'm over it. I'm not mad anymore, I guess.
I love you, my daughter.
No emotionless, please. Stop. That's funny.
I love you.
It's not like I have a choice as my dad. I can't throw him away, sadly.
It's Daddy.
Oh Lord, Daddy, please.
It's Coach.
Coach, let me. You see this man being so. I'm tired of you. What the hell is he doing here? Did you do this? Why are you here?
Becca, I'm sorry for lying to you.
Okay, this is it. I'm tired. I'm disgusted by this apology flying left and right. I don't have time for this. What's going on here? What are you doing here?
Becca, for what it's worth, I'm sorry. But I don't regret lying to you. Because that was the only way I could get your attention. I know it was all fake. The mansion, the flamboyant life, the car. But, Becca, I just came to inform you that I got a job at Ruben's restaurant to work as a chef in their Lagos branch. All thanks to you for complimenting my cooking. If not for you, I wouldn't have thought about doing this job professionally. So long as I breathe, I'll forever love and cherish you. Thank you. I only came to say goodbye.
HK. I don't want you to leave.
It's for a job.
I know, but I'm not ready for you to go yet.
Why?
Listen, you hurt me. You hurt me so bad, and that's an undeniable fact. But I've gotten so fond of you. I've actually fallen in love with you, and I'm still in love with you. And I'm willing to start all over again. What I'm saying is, I'm willing to start on a clean slate.
Because I love you. I love you more. I love you.
So when are we having the wedding?
Oh my goodness. Really?
You're
You guys?
both there to do.
I cannot have privacy. Dad?
Well.
Like a lone bird, I'm all by me. But deep inside, my heart yearns for love. Why is love far from me? My life is falling apart. Love is a beautiful thing, yet I could never find the effort to smile to it.